Keep your spine straight. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in. Hold it there. Oh, oh, oh. ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं यो अन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् हरिः ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम् अगजानन पद्मार्कम् गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। निधये सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलं स्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकम् हिरण्यकुण्डलौ वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजम् वेट्रिवेल् मुरुगनक्क हर हरो हर भूतनाथ सदानन्द सर्वभूतदयापर रक्ष रक्ष महाबाहो शास्त्रे तुभ्यं नमो नमः। स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा कोमलङ्कूशनं वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म भासतां पुरतो मम। सायङ्काले वनान्ते कुसुमितसमये सैकते चन्द्रिकाया त्रैलोक्याकर्षणाङ्गं सुरवरगणिका मोहनापाङ्गमूर्तिम् सेव्यं शृङ्गारभावैः नवरसभरितैः गोपकन्या सहस्रैः वन्देऽहं रासकेलीरतमतिशुभगं वश्य गोपालकृष्णम् आनीलश्लक्ष्णकेशं ज्वलितमकरसत् कुण्डलं मन्दहासस्यन्दार्द्रं कौस्तुभश्रीपरिगतवनमालोरुहाराभिरामम् श्रीवत्साङ्गं सुबाहुं मृदुलसदुदरं काञ्चनच्छायचेलम् चारुस्निग्धोरुमम्भोरुहललितपदं भावयेऽहं भवन्तम्। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द मोक्षाब्धिसारमय भागवताख्यदब्धो नारायणीय नवनीतमहो गृहीत्वा मायामयौघ परितप्त जनाय योगात् नारायणावनिसुराय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै गङ्गा गीता च गायत्रपि च तुलसिका गोपिका चन्दनं त सालग्रामाभिपूजा परपुरुष तथैकादशी नाम वर्णाः एतान्यष्टाप्ययत्नान्यपि कलिसमये त्वत्प्रसादप्रवृद्ध्या क्षिप्रं मुक्तिप्रदानीत्यभिदधुरुषयस्तेषु मां सज्जयेथाः हरये नमः गोपिका जीवनस्मरण गोविन्द गोविन्द श्री पोन्नुगुरुवायूरप्पने शरणम् आनन्दचिन्मयने शरणम् चोटानिकर भगवति अम्मये शरणम् नारायण अखिलगुरो भगवं नमस्ते. Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Narayanian session. We have seen yesterday 61st and 2nd Dashakam, 62nd. And in the 62nd Dashakam, we have seen like how Lord had decided now it's time to lower Indra's pride and how he had diverted the puja yajna karyas instead of giving it to Indra, to Govardhan mountain. So now what happens thereafter? And then we saw how his Kulisha and how he has, showed his wrath and sitting on Airavat, how he is gathering all the dark colored clouds and how he is begin to harass. That also we saw. So now we continue the same story ahead. Where are my kids? Can switch on your cam. Then I can spotlight you, Anisha, Anika.
1 second, let me get my book.
Okay, go and get your. Okay, so Dashakam 63, Govardhanodharana Varnanam. Okay, and Dhruta Vilambita Chandas is there in this, and Manini Chandas is there. Both we have seen before. Okay, so and we have seen it couple of times. Let's just start. Dadrishire kila tatchanamakshatasthanita jrumbhita kampita diktataha. We cannot stop. So Dadrishire kila तत्क्षणमक्षत स्तनित जृम्भित कंपित विक्तटाः. You got all the words, Anika? Okay, start.
ददृशिरे किल तत्क्षणमक्ष
Allo. ददृशिरे किल तत्क्षणमक्षतस्तनितजृम्भितकम्पितदिक्तटाः.
ददृशिरे किल तत्क्षणमक्षतस्तनितजृम्भितकम्पितदिक्तटाः.
Very good. सुषमया भवदङ्गतुलाङ्गता.
सुषमया भवदङ्गतुलाङ्गताः.
No, gataha. Okay, we should actually. Gataha, we should. So give the visarga over there. I didn't chant, but yes, the word is gataha. Vrajapado parivaridharastvaya.
प्रजपदोपरिवारिधरास्त्वया तदृशिरे किल तत्क्षणमक्षतस्तनित जृम्भितकम्पितदिक्तटाः. सुषमया भवदङ्गुतलां गताः.
भवदङ्गतुलाङ्गतः. भवदङ्गतुलाङ्गतः.
सुषमया भवदङ्गतुलाङ्गताः. व्रजपदोपरिवारिधरास्त्वया.
So, dadrishire. Dadrishire means saw. So, what was seen? Takshanam. At that moment itself, akshata. Akshata is one which is not broken, continuous. Stanita. Stanita is having big noise. Jrumbhita, which is wide spread. Kampita, shaking. Dik, all the directions. Tataha means like how Nadi Tataha is bank. So like that Dik Tata means Dik is direction is not having any sides, but that means it's a in all the directions. What was seen? Coming next line. Sushamaya. Sushamaya, third case, by Sushama, by that brilliance. Bhavadanga Tulam. Tula is like giving a comparison. Bhavadanga, like your body, Sushamaya, brilliance. It was that time what happened because he was showering with his kulisha, so many things. So all the lightning and thunderbolt and all he was doing. So then Vrajapado Pari, Upari up. On Vraja, Vari Dharaha Tvayaha. Vari water. Dharaha, that which holds the water. That means the clouds. So dark clouds, Tvaya, by you. By you Dadrishire. So Tvaya Dadrishi. By you it was seen. What? Like in all the directions, there was this thunder, there was this cloud, there was this lightning, and that brilliance was resembling like how you are, that brilliance. So, where did it go? Let me. In that ninth verse of last Dashakam. Prahinvan Vibhrana Kulishamayam Abhe Bhagamanaha. So all that was the description, what was there, that has been seen. So having seen now the effect of that, in that we saw only that on Airavati has begun and all. So now Indra is doing all this on Vraja. Dadrishe kila takshanamakshatastanita kampita diktataha Sushamaya bhavadangatulangatah Brajapado parivari dharastvaya. Meter is changing. Vipulakarakamishraistoyadharanipatai
विपुलकरकमिश्रैस्तोयधारानिपातैः
दिशि दिशि पशुपानां मण्डले दण्ड्यमाने
दिशि दिशि पशुपानां मण्डले दण्ड्यमाने
कुपितहरिकृतान्नः पाहि पाहीति तेषाम्
पितहरिकृतान्नः पाहि पाहीति तेषाम्
वचनमजित शृण्वन् मा बिभीतेत्यभाणि
वचनमजित शृण्वन् मा बिभीत्येत्यभाणीः विपुलकरकमिश्रैस्तोयधारानिपातैः दिशि दिशि पशुपानां मण्डले दण्ड्यमाने कुपितहरिकृतान्नः पाहि पाहीति तेषाम् वचनमजित शृण्वन् मा बिभीत्येत्यभाणीः
Vachanam Ajita. Ajitaha, the one who cannot conquer. Oh, Ajita. See how the Lord has been answered, that the one who is unconquerable. Oh, Ajitaha. Vipula Karaka Mishrehi. Vipula means many. Karaka is hailstorm. Or we can be also big also. Mishre. So it's not only now the thunderbolt and simple rain. So hailstorms are also there. That the Toya Dharani. Toya Dhara, it is pouring continuously now. Dishi Dishi Pashupanam. Dishi Dishi Pashupanam is Dishi Dishi in all the directions. Pashupanam means all the Gopa boys And mandale dandamane means they were troubled. Dandyamane, as if they've been punished. So there was so much not disappointment. There was so much of inconvenience and fear, and they were literally troubled by it, the Gopas. Then what happened? They said, Kupita Hari Kritat. Kupita Hari Kritat means this is because we have made the god angry. We didn't give that na samagri. So, Krutat. See how the Kupita Hari Krutannaha is there na? So, Kupita Hari Krutat. Ta will be there. And then the word will remain is Naha. Naha means to us. Pahi, Pahi, iti tesham. Pahi, Pahi, protect us. Naha, us. Asmat Shabda. Pahi, Pahi, Naha, protect us. Iti. Like this. Tesham. There. Vachanam. Ajita Shrunvan. By hearing that. Ma bibhite iti bhanihi. Iti abhanihi. Ma bibhite. Don't get afraid. Like that, he told. Lord told them, don't get afraid. Abhanihi. Past tense. Told. विपुलकरकमिश्रैस्तोयधारानिपातैः दिशि दिशि पशुपानां मण्डले दण्ड्यमाने कुपितहरिकृतान्नः पाहि पाहीति तेषां वचनमजितशृण्वन् मा बिभीतेत्यभाणि कुल इह खलु गोत्र दैवतं गोत्र शत्रोः
कुल इह खलु गोत्रो दैवतं गोत्र शत्रोः
विहतिमिह सरुन्ध्यात् को नु वः संशयोऽस्मिन्
विहतिमिह सरुन्ध्यात् को नु वः संशयोऽस्मिन्
इति सहसितवादी देवगोवर्धनाद्रिम्
इति सहसितवादी देवगोवर्धनाद्रिम्
त्वरितमुदमुमूलो मूलतो बालदोर्भ्याम्
त्वरितमुदमुमूलो मूलतो बालदोर्भ्याम्
So over here, so now over here, Lord has so one more. And can we do it here or next? Let me see. We'll add it to the next. So either here or the next verse, we should add Boliye Govardhan Giridhari ki jai. We should say. But let me see whether because it's not done, it is only impromptu coming the thought that we'll have to Boliye Govardhana Giridhari ki jai, we'll have to say that. It has only Mulataha, Udmulaha has happened, and then okay, we'll do it at the next. We'll do it at the next. We'll not do anything. Okay, go ahead, Anish.
कुल इह खलु गोत्रो कुल इह खलु गोत्रो दैवतं गोत्रशत्रोः विहतिमिह सरुन्ध्यात् को नु वः संशयोऽस्मिन् इति सहसितवादी देवगोवर्धनाद्रिम् त्वरितमुदमुमूलो मूलतो बालदोर्भ्याम्
So now why? Ulaiha khalu Gotra. So Gotra is the mountain. Yesterday we saw this word. Gotra is the mountain. Iha. Over here in this Kula. What is that? Gotra, this mountain is Daivatam. Is our Devata. Then this Gotra Shatroho. Who is Gotra Shatro? Mountain's enemy? Indra. Indra has only cut the wings of those. Earlier, mountains were flying. So Indra has cut the wings of the mountain and made them achala. So this Gotra Shatru, the enemy of this Gotra of the mountain, that means Indra, Vihitamiha, he has attacked, and Iha Sarundhyat, it will be blocked over here. So, oh, no, Vaha, Samshayasmin, does anybody have doubt about this? Okay, Kaha, no, Vaha, Samshayasmin, Asmin, in this case, does anybody has doubt? Lord is asking. Iti, like this, Sa Hasitavadi. Very with the gentle smile, he said like this, that do you have a doubt? And having said like that, then the Govardhanadri, this Govardhan mountain, Tvaritam, Tvaritam, Udamu Mulaha, Mulataha, Baladorbyam, with his two tiny Bala hands, means tender hands, Mulataha, from the root itself, Udmula, rooted that what mountain? Who? Bhagwan, he has. So he said, do you have a doubt that the mountain is going to not protect? Do you have such doubts? And saying this with a small smile itself, with this tender, and Lord is small, he is not yet a big, he is also small. And this Leela has happened now, but we will add that line in the later. Kuhaiha khalu gotra daivatam gotra shatroho vihatimiha sarundhyat Onuva samshayosmin iti sahasitavadi deva govardhanadrim tvaritamudamumulo mulato baladorbyam. We'll have this for today. Others can raise hands, and do not remove your raised hand so that I can come back to you all immediately. And those who have raised hands, keep the cameras on so that we can go. Lalitama. Number 4. Tadanu girivarasya prodhrutasya tavat.
Tadanu girivarasya prodhrutasya tavat.
Sikatila mrudu deshe durato varitape.
Sikatila mrudu deshe durato varitape.
Parikara parimishrat dhenu gopanadhastat. Ending, the down, we are opening the sandhi and keeping half the top.
Parikara parimishran dhenu gopanadhastat.
So now that has gone, balance is U. Upanita dadadhatha hastapadmena shailam.
Upanidadhastha hastapadmena.
Dadadhatha.
Upanidadhastha.
Sir is not there, ma. Thus is not there. Sir is not there. Datha.
Datha. Okay. Upanidadhatha hastapadmena shailam.
Bole Shri Govardhana Giridhari ki jai. Right over there. Even I am writing now only.
Bolo Govardhana Giridhari ki jai.
Right. We will forget.
Tadanu prodhrutasya tavat sikatila mrudu deshe durato varitape parikara parimishran dhenu gopanadhastat upanidadhatha hastapadmena shailam. Bolo Govardhana Giridhari ki jai.
So that word which we are struggling, no? See, upani, the Upanidadat. Okay, so that half the has gone. The there are the like that, right? So Upanidadha halantata is there. Then balance will be adhatta. Okay,
Adhatta.
so
Okay.
adhatta. So the word is upanidhat, like how we have Upanishad, like this Upanidhat. Then adhattaha. So that it is going with that shailam. Adhattaha is to hold. Upanidhat is to keep. Okay. So now we will see.
So shall I say it again?
No, it's
Once?
okay. No, you have chanted it correctly. I just now I'm explaining the meaning. You chanted correctly. You were not wrong. But because everybody was struggling at that, so we will. I just elaborated now before I could go ahead. You have chanted well. Tadanu Girivarasya. Who is Girivarasya? Girivaraha, the great mountain. So of Shashti. Prodhrutasya asya tavat. At time now he has already uprooted the mountain. Then prodhrutaha. He he has now lifted it. And then sikata. Sikata is a sand. And how is the sikata? Mrudu. Very soft sand bed is there now. So that he has lifted the mountain. Below is the soft sand. Durataha vari tapa. Vari is this water tapa, means this torrential rain is there. Durataha. So now under that he is calling everybody. Who? Parikara parimishram. Parikaras are whatever with the things. Dhenu, all the cows. Gopan. Adhastat. Adhastat means under the mountain, but on that sikata. There, where the sand is very soft and all the bari tapa is dur. The tapa from the rain is dur. It's not there, away from that. And keeping everybody, Upanidhat, keeping everybody under Adhastat Upanidhat. There, Adhatta, how? Hasta Padmena, lotus-like hand, means so tender. Shailam Adhattaha. Shailam, mountain. Adhattaha. He was holding it. To that Govardhana Giri, Bhagwan, we are, what we can say, we are doing the Jai Jaikar. Govardhana Giri ki Jai, we say, Govardhana Giri Bhagavan ki Jai, we should go. Bhagavan we should have. तदनु गिरिवरस्य प्रोद्धृतस्यास्य तावत् सिकतिलमृदुदेशे दूरतो वारितापे परिकरपरिमिश्रान् धेनुगोपानधस्तात् उपनिदधदधत्था हस्तपद्मेन शैलम्. बोलिए श्री गोवर्धन गिरि भगवान की जय. So we saw one more Leela of Lord. Beautiful. Subhanaji. Bhavati vidhrita shaile balikabhirvayasyaih.
भवति विधृतशैले बालिकाभिर्वयस्यैः
Api vihita vilasam kelilapadiloले.
अपि विहितविलासं केलिलापादिलोले
Savidhamilitadhenurekahasteen kanduyati sati. So kanduyati is one word. We cannot break that. So kandu, hold that oo and kanduyati. Like that is the word. And sati is also going with that. So we cannot stop there. So we have to add that Pashupala, Stosha, Maishanta, Sarve. Everything will come together. Okay. Sa, Vidha, Milita, Dhenuhu, Ekahastena. We cannot break there also. Dhenu, nu, hold long, then Rekahastena. Kandu, do, hold long. Vyati Sati Pashupalas. Tosha, Maishanta, Sarve.
सविधमिलितधेनुरेकहस्तेन कण्डूयति सति पशुपालास्तोषमैषन्त सर्वे भवति विधृतशैले बालिकाभिर्वयस्यैः अपि विहितविलासं केलिलापादिलोले सविधमिलितधेनुरेकहस्तेन कण्डूयति सति पशुपालास्तोषमैषन्त सर्वे.
Very beautiful scene is happening. See, the mountain has been held. So, Bhavati Vidhruta Shaile. When you had uprooted the mountain and when you were holding the mountain high, this Balika Bhihi, girls, by the girls, Vayasyaihi, friends. Friends are of generally same age. Api also means all the girls and boys in that sense. Vihita Vilasam. Keli Lapadi Tole. So Vihita Vilasam is like there was this extra energy talking to the girls and boys. Keli Lapadi Lole. So he was playfully talking and nicely, means as if there is no calamity. So he's calming everybody, relaxing by talking some funny things and having some great conversation, just like a scene normal. There is nothing, okay, calm now, something is happening. So outside beyond Govardhana, the scene is terrible. Thunder, lightning, hailstorm, what all is happening out over there. But under this, he just as very, very calm and casual. That is that Keli Lapadi Lole. Very much engaging very happily. And then in that, Savidhi Milita Dhenu. Savidha is very near to it. Militam, the cows are eager to come to him. And when they have come to him, Eka Hastena, by another one. One hand is under the mountain. Okay. Why the other hand? Kanduyati. Kanduyati is to scratch. Kandu in Ayurveda also we have a disease Kandu, which means itching. So now with one hand, he is scratching cow's neck, back, whatever. All the cows have gathered. So now cows are also pacified by Lord's touch. He is doing that also. So Pashupalaha Tosham Aishanta Sarve. So they were all very happy. He is engaging over here with nice funny talks, playful talks. He has chilled the girls and boys. Over here with one hand, the cows he is nicely patting and scratching and cajoling them. And the cows are also happy. Everybody is happy under that Govardhan mountain. Bhavati Vidhrita Shailhe Malikabhirvayasyaihi Api Vihita Vilasam Kelila Padilole Savidhamilita Dhenu Reka Hastena Kandu Yati Sati Pashupalas Toshamaisham Tasarve. Okay, now we are going back to the same tune which we started. Ati Mahan Giri Reshatu Vamake.
Ati Mahan Giri Reshatu Vamake.
So where the practice is needed like this, we'll have to remember the tune of the first and then what is coming. So when we start a Dashakam, when somebody takes a lead, we join easily. But on our own, when we have to start, then we start blinking at the tune. So when you practice, you have to say the fifth line first and then followed by the sixth. Likewise, when you say the first, you should follow it by the second. So randomly, you should pick where the Dashakams are having like this too, because in random, when we are doing it in that speed, it doesn't come, though we know the tune. So if somebody starts, we can join. But on our own to start, so we should, like now, when we say Kalyatam, immediately that tune is coming. Sandrananda, we know on which pitch we are starting. Because it's like that, if we know the verses a little bit starting in the memory, then we will be able to hold the tune. Otherwise, it's gone. Ati Mahan Giri Reshatu Vamake.
Ati Mahan Giri Reshatu Vamake.
करसरोरुहितं धरते चिरम्
करसरोरुहितं धरते चिरम्
किमिदमद्भुतमद्रिबलन्विति
किमिदमद्भुतमद्रिबलन्निविति
So Adbhutam Adribala. Adri is mountain. Adbhutam. Adbhutam Adribala. Mountains Bala. The kids also know they talk like this. Not Krishna's Bala. Mountains Bala is such that the mountain has lifted itself up. Krishna has not lifted. They are still kids, no? So they are thinking Adribalam. Kimidam, maybe Kimidam. Is this the Adribalam? Like that. Huh? त्वदवलोकिभिराकथि गोपकैः
त्वदवलोकिभिराकथि गोपकैः अतिमहान् गिरिरेश तु वामके करसरोरुहितं धरते चिरम् किमिदमद्भुतमद्रिबलन्विति त्वदवलोकिभिराकथि गोपकैः
So Atimahan Giri Eshaha Girihi Atimahan. This mountain is so huge. Vamake by the left hand Kara Saroruha. Vamaka Kara Saroruha. Left hand, which is like a lotus. Kam Dharate Chiram. For how long he is holding by this lotus like left hand, God is holding. The kids are saying this. Kimidam, is this Adbhutam, wonder that Adribalam iti? This must be, is this the wonder that it is the Adribala, Bala of the mountain, that the mountain can lift itself? Because tender hand of the Lord, how can it hold this big mountain? Tvad, seeing you, Avaloki Bhihi, by seeing you, Tvad Avaloki Bhihi, Akathi Gopakaihi. It was said like this, looking at you by the Gopa boys. Ati Mahan Girireshatu Vamake. So third case, no? By it. Avaloki Bhihi Gopakaihi Akathi. By Gopa boys it is said. So while translating also, it is said, the Gopa boys said this. No. This was said by Gopa boys. So we'll have to have in mind, okay, it's third case. So the translation would be, it was said by Gopa. The meaning is not changing if you say, the Gopa boys said this. But when we say by, then it is understood, okay, we are seeing the vibhakti over there and adding the meaning. So some small things like that, keep it in mind, then it will be easy. Atimahan Girireshatu Vamake Karasarorhitan Dharate Chiram Kimidam Adbhutam Adribalanvite Twadavaloki Bhirakati Gopakaihi. So many people are there, but only these three hands are up. Number 7. Ahahadharshyamushyavattorgirim.
अहहधार्ष्ट्यमनुममुष्यवटोर्गिरिम्
So dharshtyam amushya.
अहहधाष्ट्य how do
Dharshya.
धार्ष्ट्य
So tyam. Dharshtyam.
okay. अहहधाष्ट्यममुष्यवटोर्गिरिम्
Vyatitabahu. No, I have to say. Vyatitabahuravavaropaya.
व्यथितबाहुरसावरोपये
Ropayet. Sorry, I said ropayet. That's why I was thinking what I am seeing and what I have to. Iti haristvai baddha vigarhanaha.
इति हरिस्त्वयि बद्धविगर्हणः
Divasa saptakamugramavarshaya.
दिवससप्तकमुग्रमवर्षयत् अहहधार्ष्ट्यममुष्यवटोर्गिरिम् व्यथितबाहुरसावरोपयेत् इति हरिस्त्वयि बद्धविगर्हणः दिवससप्तकमुग्रमवर्षयत्.
Okay. Lord is comfortably sitting. Gopa girls, boys are nicely, happily chit-chatting. Cows are also happy. So now Indra is thinking, oh my God, Dharshtyam, daring, amushya of this, Vatoho, small boy. Huh? Like this, what guts this one is showing. So this Vatoho, over there, the first line finished. Then this Girim, we have to bring it down. Vyathita Bahu. Bahu is hand. Vyathita. When they will become stressed, so many heavy things if we carry, that hand comes under a stress, right? There's some pain will develop, something that you won't be able to carry it anymore. So when that arm will go under this trauma, under this stress, then he himself, Asau, Girim, Avaropayat. That mountain, he will by himself, he will Avaropayat, place it back down. Indra is thinking, oh, Dharshtyamaho Vatoho. Vatoho is a small boy. So the way it is addressed, we will have to understand. So this is a big mountain. When the hands start aching, he will immediately put it down anyways. So iti Hari Stvai Baddha Vigarhanaha. Baddha Vigarhanaha means he was like criticizing him. Then Divasa Saptakam Ugravarshayat. Ugravarsha. Too much. For how many days? Sapta Divasam. For 1 week, he was just pouring on Braja. Ahaha dharshtyamamushya vatorgirim vyathita bahura savavaropayet iti haristvai baddha vigarhanaha divasa saptakam Sumanaji. Achalati tvai deva padat padam.
अचलति त्वयि देवपदात् पदम्
गलित सर्वजले च घनोत्करे
गलित सर्वजले च घनोत्करे
अपहृते मरुतां पतिः
अपहृते मरुतां पतिः
त्वदभिशङ्कितधीसमुपाद्रवत्
त्वदभिशङ्कितधीसमुपाद्रवत्
not shankita, shankita.
त्वदभिशङ्कितधीसमुपाद्रवत् अचलति त्वयि देवपदात् पदम् गलित सर्वजले च घनोत्करे अपहृते मरुतां पतिः त्वदभिशङ्कितधीसमुपाद्रवत्.
Very funny explanation, description, not explanation. Achalati, not moved. Tvai, deva padattavam. Oh God, padat, why 1 step also? By 1 step you didn't move at all from there. Then Galita Sarvajala, Ghanotkara, from that clouds which was so much water filled, Galitaha, Sarvajala is Galita. All the water means the clouds are empty now. Then not only that, Aparhute Maruta, that empty clouds which were there, this Maruta by the wind, Aparhute, wind has taken away the clouds also now. Then this Marutampati, so that we have to enjoy. Maruta by the wind. Marutampati is the Marut in the sense God's Pati. Devendra means Indra over here. Marutampati Tvat Abhishankitadhihi Samupadravat. Samupadravat means he withdrew from there and he ran away thinking. His mind became doubtful that he cannot destroy Lord's house, leave aside anything from that Vraja. And Shankitadi, he started doubting himself. He got frightened. And Samupadravat, he ran away from there. He withdrew himself from the sea because now his clouds are only not there. Clouds Marut has taken. By wind, it has gone now. अचलित्वयि देवपदात् पदं गलितः सर्वजले च घनोत्करे अपहृते मरुतां पतिः त्वदभिशङ्कितधीः समुपाद्रव. Kilaji, please come. When you end. शममुपेयुषि वर्षभरे तदा
शममुपेयुषि वर्षभरे तदा
पशुपधेनुकुले च विनिर्गते.
पशुपधेनुकुले च विनिर्गते.
भुवि विभो समुपाहितभूधरः
भुवि विभो समुपाहितभूधरः
प्रमुदितैः पशुपैः परिरेभिषे.
प्रमुदितैः पशुपैः परिरेभिषे. शममुपेयुषि वर्षभरे तदा पशुपधेनुकुले च विनिर्गते. भुवि विभो समुपाहितभूधरः प्रमुदितैः पशुपैः परिरेभिषे.
So now what has happened? Shamaha upeyushi. So this Shama upeyushi, this subsided because down there are no clouds. So this Varsha Bhara, that means this so much of heavy rains, when now it is Shama, when it is gone, then this Pashupa, all these cowherd boys and all the Dhenukula also, all the cattle also, Vinirgate, they came back. And Bhuvi, on the earth, Vibho, O Lord, all pervading Lord, Samupahita Bhudhara. Bhudhara is the mountain. The one which Bhudhara is the mountain. Samupahita. Correctly. Sama upahita. Correctly. Lord placed back the mountain over there from the Bhuvi. And this Pramuditaihi Pashupaihi. Third case. So by the cowherd boys, Pashupas, who were Pramuditai, happy Pashupas, Parirebhishe. They hugged Lord. शममुपेयुषि वर्षभरे तदा पशुपधेनुकुले च विनिर्गते. भुवि विभो समुपाहितभूधरः प्रमुदितैः पशुपैः परिरेभिषे. सहन् धरणिमेव पुरा धृतवानसि.
धरणिमेव पुरा धृतवानसि.
शॉर्ट. क्षितिधरोद्धरणे तव कः श्रमः.
क्षितिधरोद्धरणे तव कः श्रमः.
श्रमः.
ओके. क्षितिधरोद्धरणे तव कः श्रमः.
इति नुतस्त्रिदशः कमलापते.
इति नुतस्त्रिदशैः कमलापते.
गुरुपुरालय पालय मां गदात्.
गुरुपुरालय पालय मां गदात्. धरणिमेव पुरा धृतवानसि. क्षितिधरोद्धरणे तव कः श्रमः. इति नुतस्त्रिदशैः कमलापते. गुरुपुरालय पालय मां गदात्.
So धरणिमेव पुरा धृतवानसि. Pura, olden times, earlier, Dharanimeva, entire earth only Dhrutavanasi you had held. In which avatara? Varaha avatara. Okay. Then Kshitidhara means the mountain. We saw that Bhudhara in the previous, like that Kshiti is also earth and Kshitidhara is the mountain. Dharani, to uphold that. Tava, to you, Kaha Shramaha, of what effort? One who has lifted the entire earth earlier to lift this one mountain, Kaha Shramaha, what effort Lord would need? See, like this. Nutaha Tridashaihi. Nutaha, praised. Tridashaihi, all the gods. Kamalapate. Lakshmi's Pati. Lakshmi Pati. Kamalapate. So now that is the name given addressed to the Lord. And O Pura Palaya, O Guruvayurappa, Palaya Mangadat, protect me from all these diseases, my diseases. Dharanimeva Puradhritavanase, Kshitidharodharane Tava Kashramaha, Iti Nutastridashaikamalaapate, Gurupuralaya Palaya Mangadat. सदा सर्वत्र गोविंद नाम संकीर्तनम गोविंद गोविंद नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवं नमस्ते. Such beautiful Leelas of Lord. With His grace we completed it. Let's get into the next Leela. Next story of Lord. 64 Dashakam is going to describe on Govinda Pattabhisheka Varnan, and it is in Upajati Chandas. We have seen the Chandas before. Let us get straight into it. Yes, kids are ready. Let us start. Okay. Alokya Shailo Dharanadi Rupam. So now 3 tunes, huh? With that Dhrita Vilambita, then that Malini came, then again Dhrita Vilambita, and again Upajati. Because when we are not going to pause for saying the chapter name or anything. So this should flow. So that means 3 of these verses you should pick up something of the starting and memorize that starting from which pitch you would start and with what tone you would start it to get into the tune. Go ahead, my dear.
आलोक्य शौलोद्धरणादिरूपम्
प्रभावमुच्चैस्तव गोपलोकाः
प्रभावमुच्चैस्तव गोपलोकाः
विश्वेश्वरं त्वामभिमत्य विश्वे
विश्वेश्वरं त्वामभिमत्य विश्वे
नन्दं भवज्जातकमन्वपृच्छन्
नन्दं भवज्जातकमन्वपृच्छन् आलोक्य शैलोद्धरणाधिरूपं प्रभावमुच्चैस्तव गोपलोकाः विश्वेश्वरं त्वामभिमत्य विश्वे नन्दं भवज्जातकमन्वपृच्छन्.
So nice to know everyone. Alokya, having seen Shailodharana, the mountain, lifting up the mountain, and Adi Rupam, and etc. All the other Prabhavam, all the other Prabhavas, all the things that he has done, so many Leelas he showed. Seeing that, Uchchaihi Tava Gopalokaha, all these Gopa boys, having seen all this, they are saying, Vishveshwaram Tvam Abhimatya Vishve. Tvam Vishveshwaram. You are Vishveshwara. All Vishwas Ishvara. Means you are the Lord of the entire universe. So, Abhimatya, having understood, now this is the Lord of the universe only can do like this. To Nanda Babaji, Nandam, Bhavat Jatakam, your horoscope, Anvapruchan. Anvapruchan is not only Pruchan, Anupruchan. Again and again they are asking, this must be the Lord of universe. It's not ordinary. Now, suddenly, because Leela after Leela, so many things we saw, no? So now they are asking for the Jatakam. Alokya Shailo Dharanadi Rupam Prabhavamuchchaistav Gopalokaha Vishveshwaran Tvamabhimatya Vishve Nandam Bhavajjatakamanvapruchan. Yes. Exam over?
No, they're getting over on Monday.
Oh, so last one more paper left. Remaining how many?
3.
3 more. How so far it's going?
Good.
All easy?
Yeah, easy.
So we are seeing your photo in the paper amongst the merit list holders, right? You'll pray like that to Guruvayur. Tomorrow you have exam?
Yeah.
You are sitting in the class. Very good. Board exam. Those parents who are not allowing kids to do any other thing and continuously saying study, 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 see, when this comes like this, keep the pack. Tomorrow board exam is in class. Excellent, Arjun. Bless you with the lovely result. गर्गोदितो निर्गदितो निजाय
गर्गोदितो निर्गतितो निजाय
वर्गाय तातेन तव प्रभावः
वर्गायता तेन तव प्रभावः
पूर्वाधिकस्त्वय्यनुराग एषाम्
पूर्वाधिकस्त्वय्यनुराग एषाम्
एधिष्ठ तावद् बहुमानभारः
एधिष्ठ तावत् बहुमानभारः
Sorry, not a. Aidhishta, because it is two. No, it's not a. Sorry. Aidhishta तावद् बहुमानभारः
ऐधिष्ठ तावत् बहुमानभारः गर्गोदितो निर्गदितो निजाय वर्गायता तेन तव प्रभावः पूर्वाधिकस्त्वय्यनुराग एषाम् ऐधिष्ठ तावत् बहुमानभारः
Gargaha uditaha. Garga has told earlier that nirgaditaha. It was told. And Arjun, Anika is going to join?
She's gone down to play.
Okay, fine. Fine. That's what I was wondering. All the best to you, Fatima. Thank you. In that she's gone down to play, no? Okay. Nirgaditaha, huh? Whatever was told by Gargaha, Nijavargaya Nirgaditaha Tatena. Tata is this by your father, Tava Prabhava, for all your Leelas. Then he told to Nijavarga, to his own people. How he got the information? Gargoditaha. Garga Maharaji had told before. So, having heard that, Purvadhikaha Tvayanuragaha Esha Aidhishta. Aidhishta is increase. Purva Adhika. They were already loving Krishna very much. But how much it was, now by hearing his horoscope, whatever Garga Maharaji has said, now their love increased. And Bahumana Bharaha. Not only love, the respect towards Lord also increased. Now it is confirmed. There's something hints are there, experience are different, but now the confirmation comes now. Garga Maharaj has already said. So love and respect, everything increased manifold. Gargodito nirgadito nijaya vargaya tatena tava prabhavaha पूर्वाधिकस्त्वय्यनुराग एषाम् ऐधिष्ठ तावत् बहुमानभारः. Specifically write one A also and write one I also, so that this mistake which happened now will not happen. That Esham, over there it's A and I. Sometimes no, such silly mistakes happen. Okay. Items have already raised and kept. Lalitama, we'll start first with you. Number 3. Tato vamano bodhaha.
ततो वमानोदिततत्त्वबोधः
Suradhiraja sah divyagavya.
सुराधिराजः सह दिव्यगव्या
Upetya tushtavasanash. I am not seeing. Nashtagarvaha. Okay. Upetya tushtavasanashtagarvaha.
उपेत्य तुष्टावसनष्टगर्वः
पृष्ट्वा पदाब्जं मणिमौलिनाते.
स्पृष्ट्वा पदाब्जं मणिमौलिना ते ततो वमानोदिततत्त्वबोधः सुराधिराजः सह दिव्यगव्या उपेत्य तुष्टावसनष्टगर्वः स्पृष्ट्वा पदाब्जं मणिमौलिना ते.
So now Indra has come to his senses. Sa tataha avamanoditaha tattvabodhaha. So much now insult he faced, right? So much that disgrace, no? He tried to destroy Lord's house. Okay, so now about Lord everybody has come to know. He also realized that what a disgrace he brought. And now he realized Tattva Bodhaha, whatever he must know, he understood that Suradi Rajaha, that god of gods, all the Sura Adhirajaha, the god of all the gods, that is Indra, right? Divya Gavya Saha, Divya Gavya, third case, with the cow, divine cow. Who? Kamadhenu. Upetya. He came. Tushtava. To please you. And Nashtagarvaha. His pride has also gone. And what he did? Spruštva padabjam manimaulinate. With all his crown and all he is having. Now he has Lord's padabja spruštva. He has touched Lord's feet. His pride has gone in him. So any homecoming is homecoming. Then we don't talk about the mistakes. Once a person said sorry, again after 10 days not to dig. You did that day. Sorry is done. Over. No need to again prick. Prick can inflict wound. And then again make that person feel miserable. And give nice one good guilt ride also. And our superiority complex increase. That means our garva in simultaneously is also increasing. Topic over. Sorry said, topic over. After 10 years, not to dig it. We do that. Tato vamano tattva bodhaha suradhirajas sah divya gavya upetya tuštavasanashta garvaha spruštva padabjam manimaulinate. So, see. I'm not seeing the time. Sorry. We have. Suddenly I felt it's long and the time is over or what? Like that I felt. Okay. Sneha snutaistvam surabhih payobhih.
स्नेहस्नुतैस्त्वां सुरभिः पयोभिः
Govinda namankitamabhyashinchat.
गोविन्दनामाङ्कितमभ्यषिञ्चत्
ऐरावतोपाहृत दिव्य गंगा पाथोभिरिन्द्रोऽपि च जात हर्षः. We cannot stop. Airavato Divya Ganga has to come together. And if Divya Ganga we are saying, then this Patho also has to come. Patho. Cannot stop. Airavato. Okay. See, Airavato Pahrita. Airavata Upahrita. Airavata has Divya Ganga. Understood. Divya Ganga, divine Ganga. Divya Ganga. Then Patho Bhihi. Patha Bhihi is the water. With the water. Indra Apicha Jata Harshaha. Airavato Pahrita Divya Ganga Patho Bhirindro Picha Jata Harshaha.
ऐरावतोपाहृत दिव्य गंगा पाथोभिरीन्द्रोऽपि च जातहर्षः स्नेहस्नुतैस्त्वां सुरभिः पयोभिः गोविन्दनामाङ्कितमभ्यषिञ्चत् ऐरावतोपाहृत दिव्य गंगा पाथोभिरीन्द्रोऽपि च जातहर्षः
Patho Picha Jata Harshaha. Okay, so now, what is the name of the chapter? This Dashakam? Govinda Pattabhishekavara. Correct? We should know that. So now this Govinda Nama has been coming now. So all this Indra's. So now Indra is coming now with his cow we saw. Okay. So, Sneha Snutaihi Tvam Surabhihi Payobhihi. This Kamadhenu which was brought, Sneha Snutabhi, out of love for the Lord, the milk is flowing. Payobhihi. And we are still in the third case. Out of love for the Lord, the milk that is flowing, by that what has happened? Coming ahead, Govinda Namankita. Now over here the name Govinda has come because the cow, Yaha Gaha Vindati Sa Govindaha. For the cows he is making happy, and the cows whose milk, because of love towards the Lord, then Abhyashinchat. The Abhisheka of that milk on the Lord has happened, and Govinda Namankita has happened. Then, not finished over there. Airavata Upaharat. Airavata has also come. And what he has brought? Divya Ganga. He has brought the divine Ganga. And then Pathobhihi. Pathobhi is again the third case. With that water, Indra api Jata Harshaha. Indra has, with happily, he has done Abhisheka with Ganga ji also, with that water which Airavata has brought. स्नेहस्नुतैस्त्वां सुरभिः पयोभिः गोविन्दनामाङ्कितमभ्यषिञ्च ऐरावतोपाहृतदिव्यगङ्गा पाथोभिरिन्द्रोऽपि च जातहर्षः. निखिलजी. Number 5. जगत्त्रयेशे त्वयि गोकुलेशे
जगत्त्रयेशे त्वयि गोकुलेशे
तथाभिषिक्ते सति गोपवाटः
तथाभिषिक्ते सति गोपवाटः
नाकेऽपि वैकुण्ठपदेऽप्यलभ्याम्
नाकेऽपि वैकुण्ठपदेऽप्यलभ्याम्
श्रियं प्रपेदे भवतः प्रभावात्.
श्रियं प्रपेदे भवतः प्रभावात्. जगत्त्रयेशे त्वयि गोकुलेशे तथाभिषिक्ते सति गोपवाटः नाकोऽपि वैकुण्ठपदेऽप्यलभ्याम् श्रियं प्रपेदे भवतः प्रभावात्.
Such lovely lines are these. Okay. Jagatrayeshe. Twayi. So this Sati Saptami has come. When Jagatrayesha, you are Lord of all the three worlds. Gokuleshe. And now you have been Tathabhishiktaha. You have been now, your Abhisheka has been done as Gokulesha. You are the Lord of three worlds. But now you are Gokulesha. Of Gokula, you have been conferred the Isha of Gokula. Sati means that is included into it as a Sati Saptami, that when this has happened, then that Gopavataha, then that in that Gokula, what has happened? Naka is our Swarga. Nake api. Ani Vaikuntha pade api. Did I say ani? Marathi came in between. Sorry. Nake api. And Vaikuntha pade api. In Swarga also and in Vaikuntha also. Alabhyam. You won't get. Shriyam. So much prosperity. Prapede bhavataha prabhavat. Means what Gokula is getting, that is nowhere it is available. Swarga also, Vaikuntha also. That much is now the blessing of this. Means when this Abhishekta has happened, and when this has happened, the Jagatraisha will be, but Gokula has been prosperous. Jagatrayeshe tvai gokuleshe tathabhishikte sati gopavataha nakepi vaikuntha padepyalabhyam padepi alabhyam shriyam prapede bhavatah prabhavat. That is your glory, your bhavataha prabhava, where we can match Lord's bhava, glory. Just admire and soak in it. Silence. कदाचिदन्तर्यमुनं प्रभाते
कदाचिदन्तर्यमुनं प्रभाते
स्नायन्ति ता वारुणपूरुषेण
स्नायन्ति ता वारुणपूरुषेण
नीतस्तमानेतुमगाः पुरीं त्वम्
नीतस्तमानेतुमगापुरीं त्वम्
तां वारुणीं कारणमर्त्यरूपः.
तां वारुणीं कारणमर्त्यरूपः कदाचिदन्तर्यमुनं प्रभाते स्नायन् पिता वारुणपूरुषेण नीतस्तमानेतु मगाः पुरीं त्वं तां वारुणीं कारणमर्त्यरूपः.
So now another story is coming over here. Kadachit. So one day, once upon a time, Antar Yamunam, inside Yamuna, Prabhate, in one early morning, Snayan, to take a bath for the sake of shower, Pita, your father, Varuna Purushena Nitaha. Nita is in the second line first line. Varuna of Varuna Purusha. One guard of Varuna Deva, Nitaha, took the father away. Tamanetum, to bring him. Agaha, you went. Purim, where? Varuna's Purim. Tvam, Varuni, Karana, Martya Rupaha. For that purpose only you have taken Martya Rupa, human form. So this is going to happen, and then Lord has taken the human form so that he could go to Varun Loka to get back his father who was taking bath in Yamuna river. So to take bath in the river, there are some rules. At too early before dawn and all, you cannot go when the night is still balanced, not to step into river. So if you have done, then you have condemned the river. So Varun Deva will come. Varun Deva is Lord of the waters. So he will come and take up. So like this, his father was taken, like this one story. Kadachidantar yamunam prabhate snayan pita varuna purushena nitastamane tumagah purin tvam tam varunin karana martya rupaha. For this sake only your martya rupa has come. Davitama. ससंभ्रमन्तेन जलाधिपेन
ससंभ्रमन्तेन जलाधिपेन
प्रपूजितस्त्वं प्रतिगृह्यतातम्
प्रपूजितस्त्वं प्रतिगृह्यतातम्
उपागतस्त्वत्क्षणमात्मगेहम्
उपागतस्तत्क्षणमात्मगेहम्
पिता वदत्तच्चरितं निजेभ्यः
पिता वदत्तच्चरितं निजेभ्यः ससंभ्रमन्तेन जलाधिपेन प्रपूजितस्त्वं प्रतिगृह्यतातम् उपागतस्तत्क्षणमात्मगेहम् पिता वदत्तच्चरितं निजेभ्यः.
So sasambhramam with good respect. Tena jaladhipena, who is the adhipa of the jala, that is Varun Maharajji, prapujita. So when Lord goes to Varun Loka, so Varunji has now received Lord with great respect and he has done his puja. And what Lord does? Pratigrihya tatam, taking his father, upagataha, takshanam, that time only, atmageham, to his own house, he came back. So what has happening? Pita avadat tat charitam. That charitam, father is telling to nijebhyaha, to his own people. Like how Lord came to rescue him from Varun Loka and how Varun Dev also welcomed Lord and how Lord brought back father. So now he is telling to nijebhyaha. ससंभ्रमन्तेन जलाधिपेन प्रपूजितस्त्वं प्रतिगृह्यतातम् उपागतस्तत्क्षणमात्मगेहम् पिता वदत्तच्चरितं निजेभ्यः. Sumanaji. So many people are there today, but still all are lazy today. Nobody, only these 4 people are chanting. Anyway, doesn't matter. 2 more verses we have to do. Harim vinishchitya bhavantametan
हरिं विनिश्चित्य भवन्तमेतान्
भवत्पदालोकनबद्धतृष्णान्
भवत्पदालोकनबद्धतृष्णान्
निरीक्ष विष्णो परमं पदं तत्
निरीक्ष विष्णो परमं पदं तत्
दुरापमन्यैस्त्वमदीदृशस्तान्
दुरापमन्यैस्त्वमदीदृशस्तान् हरिं विनिश्चित्य भवन्तमेतान् भवत्पदालोकनबद्धतृष्णान् निरीक्ष्य विष्णो परमं पदं तद्दुरापमन्यैस्त्वमदीदृशस्तान्.
What more we want? Just be Lord's Bhakta and we see how they are blessed. Harim Vinishchintya. Vinishchitya, having decided correctly that Harim, as Hari, Bhavantam etam, you are that. Bhavat Padalokana Baddha Trishna. They want to experience Bhavat Padaloka. That Bhavat Pada, that your state, your Purna, your Ananda, your bliss, all that, they have Baddha Trishna. They want to see that much yearning, Baddha Trishna, hard desire, hardcore desire to experience the state of Lord. Then, Niriksha Vishnu, Lord having seen that they are wanting that Paramapada, that Paramapada, Durapam Amnyahi. For others, it is Durapam. It is inaccessible. But Tvam Adidrushastan. Adidrushaha, you showed Tan to them. Sahataute Prathama. Tamtau Tan. Second case. To them you showed. They had the desire and Lord fulfilled. And they experienced that highest bliss. They experienced oneness with their Lord. They experienced that state. Harim Vinishchitya Bhavantametan Bhavatpadalokana Baddha Trishnan Niriksha Vishnu Paramam Padantat Durapamanyais-tvamadidrishastan. Adidrishaha, you showed it to them. Wow. So nice, Somehow something should befall on us. I don't know whether we will feel happy or whether we'll get shocked. No, something is wrong, we will feel. Sometimes I think, are we ready to receive that? Or we'll think, no, this can't be here. If the conviction is good, conviction is strong, we will experience that. But if we are in doubt and we'll think, no, this is some hallucination probably, or something is wrong, something spooky. Just imagine something moves in your house now where you are sitting. Lord wants to show his presence. Are we ready to accept? Just imagine one quiet night is like quiet night when you are alone. And if you imagine and see, are we ready? If bhakti is strong, we are ready anytime. We'll be fearless. If fear is there, the doubt is there. So sometimes I imagine whether ready or not. Not at all ready. Okay, let's go ahead. Number 9. Sphurat Parananda Rasa Pravaha Prapurna Kaivalya Mahapayodhau. Okay, Sphurat Parananda Rasa Pravaha is one Dvitva Rasa Pravaha. Then Pravaha Prapurna is another Dvitva. Kaivalya Mahapayodhau. Sphurat Parananda Rasa Pravaha Prapurna Kaivalya Mahapayodhau.
Puratparananda Rasapravaha Prapurna Kaivalya Mahapayodhau.
Chirannimagnah Khalu Gopa Sanghaha.
Chirannimagnyah Khalu Gopa Sanghaha.
Tvayaiva Bhuman Punarudhritaste.
Tvayaiva Bhuman Punarudhritaste. Sphuratparananda Rasapravaha Prapurna Kaivalya Mahapayodhau. Chirannimagnyah Khalu Gopa Sanghaha. Tvayaiva Bhuman Punarudhritaste.
Now in that milky ocean, they are all lying there in that state of bliss and all. So Sphurat, and they are getting those. They are experiencing that Parananda and that Rasa Pravaha and that Purnatva and that Kaivalatva in that Mahapayodhau, in that milky ocean, they are experiencing. Then Chirannimagnaha, they were soaked into it. They were drowned into the Paramananda. Then that Gopa Sangha means all those Gopas. Then Tvaya eva, by you only, Bhuman, O the infinite one, Punaha Utrutaha te. You only brought them back out of that bliss. So you only gave them the experience and you only brought them out of it. Spurat Parananda Rasapravaha Prapurna Kaivalya Mahapayodhau Chirannimagna Khalugopa Sanghaha Tvaya eva Bhuman Punarudhrataste. Last but not again, see the tune is changing. So we have to hear that. Karabadara Devan Devak. I said be alert and it went. Karabadara Devan Devakutha. God.
It should go that way, right?
करबदरद देवं देवपुत्रावतारे.
Yeah, you know, it's very difficult when you have to change it.
दर्शितं
Okay, let us all mute. Let us hear Veena-ji's voice.
करबदिरददेवं देवपुत्रावतारे निजपदमनवाप्यं दर्शितं भक्तिभाजां तदिह पशुपरूपी त्वं हि साक्षात् परात्मा पवनपुरनिवासिन् पाहि मामामयेभ्यः.
Narayan is blissful in your voice, Veena. My God. Probably for that only we got stuck. One silent. Sakshi is there throughout. We don't see her, we don't hear her. Then, my God, thank you. You made it so nice. One that, and suddenly the scene has changed. So nice to know. Wow. Okay. Karabadarav Devakutravatare.
Karabadarav Devakutravatare.
Nijapadamanaváप्यं दर्शितं भक्तिभाजा.
निजपदमनवाप्यं दर्शितं भक्तिभाजाम्.
तदिह पशुपरूपी त्वं हि साक्षात् परात्मा.
तदिह पशुपरूपी त्वं हि साक्षात् परात्मा.
पवनपुरनिवासिन् पाहि मामामयेभ्यः.
पवनपुरिनिवासिन् पाहि मामामयेभ्यः. करबदरव देवकुत्रावतारे निजपदमनवाप्यन् दर्शितं भक्तिभाजाम्. तदिह पशुपरूपी त्वं हि साक्षात् परात्मा पवनपुरनिवासिन् पाहि मामामयेभ्यः.
Kara Badara Vat. Badara is that Jujubi. Jujubis. Bear. Bear. Marathi boar. Edindapara, what they say? Edindapara. Not the date, other one, the Jujubi. So Kara, if that Jujubi is in the hand, do you need any mirror or anything? It's as clear that you can recognize. So we had that Kara Amalakavat, when Amalaki. In another place, Amalaki's example given. Over here, Badara's example is given. That if you have a fruit in your hand, do you need anything else to experience or to verify? It is as clear. Correct. So, O Lord, Putra Avatare, in which other avatara? In which avatara? Avatare, in which? Nija Padam, your Pada Anavapya, cannot get that roop which you cannot get, that darshitam, you have shown that to bhakti bhaja, to the ones who are devoted to you. Tadiha Pashuparupi. Now in this cowherd Rupa, Tvam hi Sakshat Paratma. You have come as a cowherd boy. And you are only Sakshat Paratma. Knowing no other avatara so clearly that people could experience. They don't need any other proof. Direct experience. You could touch, you could experience. No other avatara it is there. Oh, Pavanapura Nivasin, Guruvairappa, Pahi, protect me, Mam, Amayebhyaha. So many diseases. Now it's plural. Amayebhya. Save me, protect me from all my series of diseases, not one disease. God only knows how many diseases we are carrying. Karabadharavadevam devakutravatare nijapadamanavápyam darshitam bhakti bhaja tadiha pashuparupi tvam hi sakshat paratma pavanapura nivasim पाहि मामामहेभ्यः सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनम् गोविन्द गोविन्द नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते. What is Krupa on us that he allowed us to complete well before time. This is our record. And again, like we spend a lot of time today saying softly only, and but yet it is completed with his Krupa. He has only descended. And whatever tune we were saying, it will be forgotten. He gave us the glimpse also. Okay, this is what will happen, and he erased the tune only from the scene. Never mind all these experiences. So any doubts, please WhatsApp me. Anything to clear, let me know. We continue next Monday with the next two. Tuesday we'll do next two. That means we will finish now. When we reach 70, then we have to do one Parayan. Because then up to 60 and now this 70. So this 20 Dashakam, if we don't roll it, we will forget it. So we will see how we can divide it in 2 days. Or one day will be too difficult. Or we should keep
Varshaji, actually, up till 30, right? Somehow I think it is pretty, I mean, I'm speaking from my side, up till 30, it's there. From 30 onwards is where, I find it a little difficult. So if we can do from 30 to 70, maybe if everyone's okay with it, 30, we can break into, because that's the ones that I find the most tongue twisting.
I was thinking of holding Tuesday for chanting and Monday for learning. And we do it in stages 1 to 25, 25 to 50, 50 to 70, like that. On one day goes there, and simultaneously the learning is also happening, and we add on into it. I was thinking that way. Because 70 in 2 days means in one session 35 Dashakams will not happen. One session 35 will not happen. And then Vyoma has set us the example, right? That without rushing the chanting is beautiful. And the norm is to rush and chant and finish it off. I think my connection went in between. The norm is like you hold the speed, you chant fast, like that is the norm. But Vyoma has set us example that chanting can be beautiful and done patiently. So need not rush for 25 into this. We will see how. So let us reach 70, but a thought is coming. We'll hold Monday for learning, Tuesday for chanting, and revise 1 to 20 or 1 to 25 like that. And see, by the time we are reaching 70, 80 are completing, then we will add that also. Then we have 4 sessions of 1 to 20, 40, 60, 80. And hold the learning also on once. Okay, so with grace of Lord, we are there. So something which was not happening and suddenly it's happening. So grateful to Lord. May His Krupa be on us. There's a camp coming. I am not going. We are doing this only. Yoga Vasishtha, the camp is coming. Come to you. Complete thing, and then we'll drink off camps. Yes, I'm scared because the last gap was terrible. Some of you felt that, okay, Narayanam and all the classes have ended, but I was happily living in India, traveling. No, my heart is there in the class. It's not, I've not abandoned it. Let's end today's session, join Daily Gita, and thereafter Eknathi Bhagavad also. And tomorrow I'm traveling to Trivandrum for Atakalapam, day after tomorrow. Oh. पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम् श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु Hari Om everyone. Thank you for joining. Thank you so much, Veena. As always, my savior.
Hari Om,
Hari
no
Om.
Varsha, don't ever say that.
Hari Om Varshiji.
Hari Om. Hari Om, Varshaji. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
Dr. Varsha. Hari Om.
Varsha,
Yes.
the Guruvayur Utsavam is being shown live in the mornings.
Oh,
On
in the Dinavarta, in that channel?
I think it is Guruvayur Devaswam. 1 second, I'll tell you.
Oh my God, please share it. Put it in the Narayanian group only.
Yeah, but it is more of, because I like the Shiveli and Tayambaga, I was listening to that.
Oh my God.
I'll send it. I'll send it.
Yes, please send.
Send
Please
tomorrow.
send. Please send. Yes, Kamsa. Up till what date it is? For the Purnima.
I
Till.
think it is till 20th. That's what I heard, 10 to 20.
Okay.
I'm not sure till when. It started yesterday. I'm not
Okay.
sure. But Devaswam website says till 20th.
Okay. Enjoy them. Must go and come then in between. You see how you come and plan that thought, no? I'll have to sneak in. I'll
Okay.
first sneak to Trivandrum and I'll come for 2 days. Then in 2 days I will see.
It'll be really crowded.
Yeah. But if we sit with one Narayan and wait in the queue chanting,
Yeah,
it's
only thing they don't, even the queue, sometimes they stop.
oh,
Mm. That's what I've heard. I won't dare to go. So
is that.
I don't know. Try.
Okay.
I
Okay.
mean, you have it in your mind, so you better go.
No, you
But find
plan
out
to
the
go.
correct dates.
Okay, I'll
Find out the
find out.
correct dates. I'm not sure. It has started, I know, but when it ends, I'm not sure.
Okay, I'll find it. Yeah, go and get one. Take car, drive on. Go on. Stay
Yeah.
there.
That feeling itself will be there.
So like this day I have to choose Wednesday, Thursday. Narayanam class we cannot miss. You all will kill me now if I go anywhere. So till the 100 Dashakam, no breaks should come. That is the only prayer. We should do it. Complete it. We're going at good speed. 4 Dashakams and 40 more to go means 10 weeks.
Yeah.
For 3 months. In June, we should, that time also we said June, July, we are finished. We should hold that. Then we should practice and then all should book tickets. We'll find a convenient day time and then I go and book. We have to make it good night.
Yes.
If that's
Yes.
Sankalpa, don't worry. We cannot, huh? Everybody has to come.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, very
Yes, we will come. Yes, we will come.
Yes, we will find that suitable time. Okay, let's go for Daily Gita. Hari Om, Hari Om.
Hari Om, thank you. Namaste.
Namaste. Yeah, you have to come all the way from UK. Huh? Don't run away.
I wish I can come. I really wish to come.
Yes, yes.
Thank you.
Singapore, Malaysia, UK, US. Anybody we have left? And all over India. from Kashmir to Kerala. Samita ji is in Kashmir. Okay. Hari Om.
Hari Om, thank you.